Practical Guide to Applied Conformal Prediction in Python offers a comprehensive exploration of conformal prediction, a modern framework crucial for accurately quantifying uncertainty in machine learning applications. Authored by Valery Manokhin and Agus Sudjianto, this book provides practical insights and Python applications for mastering conformal prediction. In the dynamic field of machine learning, the ability to quantify uncertainty accurately is essential. Practical Guide to Applied Conformal Prediction in Python fills this gap by offering a deep dive into conformal prediction, a cutting-edge framework poised to transform uncertainty management in various ML applications. Readers will embark on a comprehensive journey through conformal prediction, exploring its fundamentals and practical applications across various domains such as binary classification, regression, time series forecasting, imbalanced data handling, computer vision, and natural language processing, NLP. Each chapter provides hands-on insights and best practices, ensuring a solid understanding of this modern uncertainty quantification framework. The book concludes with a focus on multi-class classification nuances, enabling readers to seamlessly integrate conformal prediction into diverse industries. This book is ideal for readers with a basic understanding of machine learning concepts and Python programming. It caters to data scientists, ML engineers, academics, and anyone interested in advancing their skills in uncertainty quantification in ML.